Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Raphael once again and I am the relatable engineer. It's actually been a while and I haven't been consistent with content. As a matter of fact, last time I posted anything was about a month ago if I'm not mistaken. But today I'll be showing you guys how to do auxiliary projections that look like this in your AutoCAD. Yeah, and you have something like this or something like this. Yes, I'll be showing you how to do that in AutoCAD today. How to go about the measurements, the inclinations, the projection angles and everything. So without wasting much of the time, let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go into your AutoCAD and just click on Ctrl N. I'll start from the absolute scratch. So for Ctrl N, you are going to be opening a file in AutoCAD. Just double tap AutoCAD right here. So there you go. So if you watched my video on the title block and borderline, many of you reached out to me that the video wasn't so clear. So I'm just going to run through how to do your title block and borderline right now. So the first thing you want to do is that before that, the first thing you want to do is you specify your units. And I'm going to be using millimeters. So I'm going to be using millimeters for this video. And we're going to pick a rectangle too. And you just pick any points. I'm going to do 297. Tab 210. So if you notice that it's out of reach, so you're just going to come here, type in zoom, and you press enter, then you click on extent. So you're going to have something like this. I can just zoom it out just a bit. So I'm just going to offset this. So there we go. So you have your borderline ready. So you can just copy everything right here and move it away. So I'm going to be doing the title block now, and if you remember, our title block is 100 by 60. So I'm going to zoom in, then I'm going to come here, rectangle. This is going to be 20 by 60. So I'm going to click my line tool, then I'll toggle this. It's going to ask me for perpendicular distance, so I'm just going to select 10. Press F8. So F8 means auto. I'm going to be moving very fast because you guys are not new to this channel. So I'm going to copy this selection. So I've divided it. So this space for your university and this space is for your name. So I'm going to come here instead to the third line, and this will be 20 by 10. So I'm going to come here once again, 20 by 10. So this video is not for teaching how to draw a title block or anything. I have a comprehensive video on that, and I do not want to waste your time. So in case you've forgotten how to draw it, this is how to draw it. And if you've forgotten how to put the text and every other thing, I'm going to probably link the video in the description so that you can just check it out. So I'm going to move this right here. Didn't copy everything. So I'm going to move So there we go. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to start the auxiliary projection right now. So there we go. So for today, I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So if you have this J.N Green textbook, I'm just going to spell it out for my background. If you have this J.N Green textbook, you can just go to page 119 there, or if not, you can just screenshot this image on the screen currently, and you can just like follow along with me on your phone. You should be using AutoCAD on your laptop and not on your phone. Don't know how you guys use it on your phone. So first things first, if you're using my dimensions, this will be 50 by 25 plus 25 is 50. So you are going to come here to your AutoCAD. So we're going to draw a straight line. Let's just start our straight line from here. But my straight line is not straight, and that's because my auto is turned off. So I'm just going to use F8. If you notice, I've been doing that for a while now. So I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to pick my rectangle. So this will be 50 by 50. So I'm going to pick my line tool and bisect it from the middle. So I'm going to trim and just cut this guy away. There we go. Enter. So the next thing I want you to do is that let's just extend our line here. Just extend it to the end a bit, so that we know that our line is not part of a rectangle. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use the line tool to draw projection lines. Now if you watch the first video I did on auxiliary projection, I used the ray tool instead of the normal line tool to draw my projection lines, but I realized that it requires a lot of time and unnecessary effort. So you can just use your line tool. There's not much of a difference. You just have to change the color and the transparency. So I'm going to select all these guys. Then I'll go into line properties. So for the color, I'm going to be using cyan. And I'm going to set my transparency to 70. So I'm going to close my property window and escape. There we go. So, I apologize for the shaking. I just want to check if the video is still recording. So you should have something like this. So the next thing you want to do is that from the image, you're going to want to draw a polygon, and the polygon is the hexagon. So if you're looking from the front, this is what you see. If you're looking at it from the top, you see this. So this is our plan. So you're going to draw a hexagon, and we are going to be using the polygon tool for that. So I'm going to come here. So we are going to be using the polygon tool. So you're going to pick 6 sides. That's here for the number of sides. So you're going to press 6 and you press enter. So there we go. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to draw it to the ends of this, and to see that our drawing is taking shape. We already have this and we already have this. Now for the next thing you're going to do is that you are going to draw normal straight lines extending from this guy, from this end. So you're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that. Going to want to draw a polygon, and the polygon is the hexagon. So if you're looking from the front, this is what you see. If you're looking at it from the top, you see this. So this is our plan. So you're going to draw a hexagon, and we are going to be using the polygon tool for that. So AutoCAD. So we're going to draw a straight line. Let's just start our straight line from here. But my straight line is not straight, and that's because my auto is turned off. So I'm just going to use F8. If you notice, I've been doing that for a while now. So I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to pick my rectangle. So this will be 50 by 50. So I'm going to pick my line tool and bisect it from the middle. So I'm going to trim and just cut this guy away. There we go. Enter. So the next thing I want you to do is that let's just extend our line here. Just extend it to the end a bit, so that we know that our line is not part of a rectangle. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use the line tool to draw projection lines. Now if you watch the first video I did on auxiliary projection, I used the ray tool instead of the normal line tool to draw my projection lines, but I realized that it requires a lot of time and unnecessary effort. So you can just use your line tool. There's not much of a difference. You just have to change the color and the transparency. So I'm going to select all these guys. Then I'll go into line properties. So for the color, I'm going to be using cyan. And I'm going to set my transparency to 70. So I'm going to close my property window and escape. There we go. So I apologize for the shaking. I just want to check if the video is still recording. So you should have something like this. So the next thing you want to do is that from the image, so I'm going to be using the trim tool to cut this away. So I'm going to press escape. So once again, I'm going to change the color and transparency. So once again, I'm going to change the color and transparency of these lines. Okay, there we go. So the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to project lines at which angle is that. So if you look here, you have 60, and if you remember, these lines have to be perpendicular to this your drawing plane. So if our drawing plane is 60, we're going to be projecting these lines at 30. So first of all, you're going to draw your drawing plane. Line 2. Okay, start with your projection lines. So you need to turn off your auto for drawing angles. That's 30. There we go, we have all our projection lines. So we are just going to make them transparent once again. So there we go, we have our projection lines, and now we can draw our plane. Our plane is at 60 degrees. So if we start from here, so we're going to be drawing our plane. Our plane is at 60 degrees. So if we start from here, so it's 60 and 120 degrees. So 120 should be just right. Enter. And if you see, this is perpendicular. So you can just do this. Let's move it up a bit because there's no space to put our diagram. Yeah, this is about just right. So I'm going to make this one transparent once again. So there we go. So the next thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to be transferring dimensions from this guy to this guy. And how you're going to be going about that is that you're going to be using your offset command. Or you can use offset, you can use copy selection. I think copy selection works better. So what I want you to do is measure the distance from here to here. So to do that, you're going to be using your line tool. You're just going to draw a line from here. And because you're using snap, it will snap at this point. And you press enter. So when you have your line, you can double tap the line. It will open a property box like this. You're going to see the length. So just note the length down. That's 14.3803. 14.3803 millimeters. So 14.3803. So I'm going to come here, copy selection, so down here, 14.3803, enter, escape. So we've done this. You can delete this line now. So I'm going to do that for the remaining two lines. So I'll just show you the second line and you do the third. Then we can move on. So this one is 28.7607. So that'll be 28.7607. So for the last one should be the same with the first one, but oftentimes it's not. Yeah, 14.3803. So there we go. Now let's just look at what we've accomplished. We've done this, and we've done everything here, and we have our projection lines. Now, what remains is to make out the object. So I'm going to trace from here to here to here to here to here to. I'll show you. So for this particular section, you're going to want to turn off your auto. You just have to be careful of where this snaps, because it's going to snap in places that you don't want it, and you have to double check to make sure it's snapped in the right place. And I am using the normal line to not polyline. The reason is that I want to be able to edit my dotted lines, because there are hidden features there. I want to be able to edit those hidden features. So what we have left is this, and this. So go back to your AutoCAD, and we're going to draw a line from here just like I said. It's going to snap in places where you don't want it to, and you have to be observant enough to notice that. You might want to use your auto for the straight lines, because it's going to help you, and it's not really a crime if you don't turn off your auto. It's just meant not snap. There you go. So you're going to draw a line from here to here, and you're going to draw a line from here all the way to this place. So the thing is, when you're drawing your solid object, you have to be very patient, because it might end up snapping in places where it's going to be very inaccurate and you wouldn't like the end result. I apologize if this video is coming out a bit long, but I just want to make sure that you guys understand this concept. So we're going to check where our hidden features. If you're looking at this guy from the front now, you are going to see this part, you're going to see this part, you're going to see this part, you're going to see this part, and you're going to see this part. See if I can. Okay, so if you're looking at this guy from the front, you're going to see this part, you're going to see this part, you're going to see this guy. Apologize for that. You're going to see this guy, you're going to see this guy, you're going to see this guy, you're going to see this guy. Yes, you see those guys, but these guys, they're at the back. This is like, if you turn it around, you see, as you see this 1, 2, 3, if you turn it around, you'll see this 1, 2, 3 as well. But because you've not turned it around, you can't see it. And you have to imagine that you can see all of them at once. So the thing is that these parts that you can't see, but you know they are there, those parts will be dotted. And this place is just like, see, it's a vertical line. Don't make a mistake. Don't mistake it for a horizontal line. It's a vertical line. So I'm just going to go back into AutoCAD, and so we're going to call me a line type. So we'll load our hidden line. Okay, so load our hidden line. Okay, so we're going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I'm not mistaken. So you right click, go to properties, and you see line type, select hidden, and this value of 1, change it to something like 14. There you go. So I think you should have something like this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So many of you said that you don't know how to convert a drawing to PDF in AutoCAD. So you're going to press Ctrl P. This is for 2D. It doesn't work the same way for 3D. If I have time, I'll make a video on 3D, and if I don't, I'll recommend a video for you in the comments. You can just come back and check the pinned comments. So if I'm going to be recommending anything for you, I'll be recommending from, I think, SourceCAD or Open SourceCAD. I just know SourceCAD is the guy's channel name, and the guy is very good. Credit to him. Credit where credit is due. He's very, very good. And if you are new to AutoCAD, you should be following his channel. So just follow my steps. And so because we have transparent lines in our drawing, I'm going to click on plot transparency. And if we preview it, it should look something like this. Mind you, if you don't change the color to monochrome, these transparent lines will appear as blue cyan lines there. So this, plot style table, you're going to have to change it to monochrome. Now you can preview it. It should look something like this. And there you go. this is what your drawing should look like. And yeah, this is what you'll be doing if you have if you have to draw a solid object in auxiliary projection. Yeah, this is how you have it. And remember that the first example we did, we only drew the first auxiliary plan, and we didn't look at how to draw the solid object in auxiliary projection. But here you have it now. This is how to do it. For dimensioning, I think I made a shot on dimensioning, if I'm not mistaken. Please check that out. I'll try to look for it and link it in the comments as well. I have a lot of things to link in the comments, but escape. So for the second one, I'm going to leave you guys to have fun with that. And I'm just going to pull it up now. You can take a screenshot. It will be active for the next 5 seconds. So I'm going to show you how to start this. So for this, I think you know how to draw 60 degrees. I've explained that at length now. And I think you know how to draw dotted lines and a rectangle. So I'll just get you started and you're going to complete it. I'm going to show you how to incline this object. And yeah. So first things first, go to AutoCAD. I'm not saving this, I don't need to save it, it's just a demonstration. So we'll open a new file. So I'm just going to draw a line. When you're doing this, you can draw it in your title block and borderline. Just for practice, I'm just going to show you how to get started on it. Enter. So okay, now if you look at the image once again, you see that this guy is inclined at 30 degrees. So I'm just going to be drawing a line inclined at 30 degrees. So I'm going to move this. Okay, so you can just trim this part there. Now for the dimensions you'll be using, you can use 40 by 40. This part will be 40 by 40. And I don't know what this length will be yet. But when you project this here, or when you project this here, the distance between the two of them is going to be the length for this side. And this side will be 40 as well. So you're going to use 40 by 40. Now since we already have our inclination plane for 30 degrees, I'm going to just shorten this to 40 millimeters. Mind you, specify your units first. I didn't specify my units. For 40 units, 40 millimeters. Yeah. I just press tab and enter 40. There we go. So you can just zoom this out and pan. Where's pan? Let's see. So you can just move this down here and then zoom in. So you're going to use your rectangle tool and I'm going to start from here. Just 40 by 40. So you're going to click on this and you rotate it. Before you rotate it, please extend this. Let's just extend it. So you're going to rotate this. Sorry, messed up my rotation there. So you're going to rotate this. I'm going to pick this as your base point. So you're going to bring it down to this point. Yes, now it's inclined at 30 degrees and you can delete this. So there you go. Now you successfully inclined your square to get the diagram started. So you know the drill, you just project down from here. Just project and you complete it. So it's more or less of an assignment, and I want you guys to comment how the assignment went. And I know some of you may have a test coming up and may not have time to do the assignment, but please, in your best interest, just practice it. Alright, that'll be all for today. Thank you. Have a good time and bye for now.